In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook password while logging. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you won't make any mistake. So to change your password while logging, all you have to do now, open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. Scroll all the way to down and tap on these settings and privacy, and tap on these settings again. Now all you have to do now, tap on this password and security. Under this password and security, all you have to do now, tap on this change password. So now it will ask you to type in your current password, your new password, and retype new password. So if you forgot the new or the current password, all you have to do now, tap on this forgot password button. So as you can see now it will send me a code through your email address that is linked to your Facebook account. So tap on this, select the email address or phone number. So tap on this continue. So now I'll receive a code through my email address that I link to my Facebook account. I'll just wait for the code now to arrive. So as you can see now, here is the code. Now I get the code, so I'll just tap on this continue after you type the code. So now as you can see now it will allow you now to create a new password. So I'll just go ahead now and type in my new password. So after you type in your new password, all you have to do now, tap on this next button. So after you type the next button, it will take you back to this section. Now means you change your password while logging. That's it guys on how to change your Facebook password while logging. Hope this video helps you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.